Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. Anyway, today's video I share with you how to make this delicious soup. Guys, I'm using beef and also cow food, so let's get started. So here I'm cutting my onions into smaller pieces and I'm going to use it to cook the cow feet because it's so hard. Alright fam, so the cow foot is very hard, so I prefer to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes before adding the remaining or the actual meat, you understand, because I don't want the meat to be too soft. Alright, so I cook it about 10 minutes and I think it's time for me to add the beef because I don't want the cow foot to be soft. So now I'm going to add the remaining protein and then my seasoning to it. Okay, so guys, I'll go in with the beef and some chopped onions and then seasoning cubes. Okay, yeah, and I'll go in also with some salt to taste. Once that is done, I will just give it a little stir and then cover it to let it boil. Alright, so now let me take this opportunity to thank all my amazing subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I really love you guys for your support. Alright, so moving forward, I will also go in with some tinned tomatoes, and after that I'm going to also go in with some garlic and ginger. Yes, I prefer to do it this way, so just in case you don't mind, you can also do yours differently. Alright, so now I will go in with garlic and also ginger. Guys, like I said, I prefer to do it this way for this special recipe. Okay, it tastes so different, guys. Alright, so to all my subscribers, my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, and my returnees, thank you for coming back. Please do not forget to share the video, like, and also click the bell notification so that you get all my videos as soon as I upload them on YouTube. Thank you once again. Whilst that is done, I'll also go ahead and cook tomatoes and also pepper. This is going to make the soup, guys. So whilst the vegetables is on fire, I'll also go ahead and check the soup base if everything is okay. So as I'm checking, and I found out that it's perfect time for me to add the blended vegetables because the oil has settled on top already. So now that the tomatoes and the pepper is done, I'll also go ahead and blend it and add it into the soup. Yes, now it's time to also add the vegetables that I blended. I'm going to also strain it because I don't want any seed in the soup, guys. Please, if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel. The subscription is free. And don't forget to also click the bell notification so you get my videos as soon as I upload them on YouTube. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so at this point, if you want your soup to be thick, you can just leave it like this. But for me, I want it to be lighter, so I'll go ahead and add enough water so that it will be light. This is light soup, okay? Yeah, because I'm going to pair this soup with fufu, and if it is thick, I cannot swallow it, guys. Do it the way you want, guys. So I'll add enough water, like I said, to make it a bit lighter for me. So at this point, fam, if you have smoked fish or any other dry fish, you can go ahead and add it into the soup. But this is beef soup, so I will just leave it how it is. And as you can see, I also added some ginger powder because I want that kick, you understand, and it's so flavorful. All right, so after a while, my soup is looking so good. It's almost done, guys. So like I said, I'm going to pair it with fufu. I will just go off camera and prepare the fufu, guys. So I'll get back to you. All right, fam, my beef soup is ready. It looks so good, guys. It tastes so delicious as well, and I know I'm going to enjoy this with my family. So please do try it, do try this recipe, and let me know under the comment section. And all the ingredients, I'll make sure to list everything under the video description, guys. So do check it out, guys. How do you see this? I wish I have okra. But today I'll just, like I said, I will just leave it how it is. This is light beef soup. I love it. I love the texture of the fufu as well, and the texture of the meat. It's not too hard. It's not so soft as well. So I love it, guys. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys are going to try it. It tastes so delicious, trust me. I love it. And thank you so much for watching till now. I'll meet you with another beautiful video, guys. Please share the video, and if you like it, give me thumbs up. But fam, don't mind me. Oh, the meat is too much. I know it's just for presentation purpose. Okay, all right, guys. Take care of yourself, and bye bye.